This is the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi for September 30th, 2019. Some highlights of the briefing this week will be continued hot and dry through pretty much through midweek and actually late into the week. There could be a cold front by the end of the week, which may bring slightly cooler and drier conditions over the weekend. Going to give an update on the tropics. And there is some drought developing over the area, which will also bring some fire weather concerns, which will be increasing over the next few weeks if we do not receive any substantial amount of rainfall. For today, high pressure will continue over the area, and temperatures will climb into the mid-90s once again, and possibly a couple of spots into the upper 90s under mostly sunny skies. Expect clear skies overnight with low temperatures generally in the upper 60s to low 70s. Then for tomorrow, anticipate partly cloudy skies with high temperatures in the mid-90s. This is the 7-day precipitation slide, and could see some light accumulations of precipitation, but that looks like that will mainly be late in the weekend into early next week. There could be some potential for at least some isolated showers or thunderstorms. For Tuesday, high pressure once again will continue over the region, and the high pressure will continue on Wednesday and Thursday, but there will be a cold front that will approach the area on Thursday night. For Friday, that cold front will move through the region, although the front will be mainly weak and it will mainly be a dry front. The cool down, the temperatures by the end of the week will generally probably be in the upper 80s to low 90s across the area. And as we get into the weekend, high pressure and slightly cooler temperatures will continue into the weekend, but there is a slight chance of some thunderstorms in the east as we get into Sunday or Monday. And there will be another chance of maybe a little bit stronger cold front early next week that may cool temperatures off to more seasonal normals for this time of year. And the forecast for the week, as you can see, today through Thursday, temperatures are going to generally be in the mid-90s for highs and the low 70s for lows. And just a slight increase of chance for thunderstorms on Friday as that front moves through. And once again on Saturday, as another cold front approaches the region, you'll notice the temperatures will be slightly cooler over the weekend with highs in the low 90s and low temperatures in the mid and upper 60s across the area. This is the 5-day graphical outlook from the National Hurricane Center. You can see pretty much the only thing going on is Hurricane Lorenzo. Really not much going on in the tropics as we stand right now. The drought situation, you can see we do have some abnormally dry in the western zones, and then some moderate drought across some of our Louisiana parishes and some of our southwest counties. So things are getting dry, and that will increase the wildfire concerns across the regions. So that's something to keep an eye out as we continue to get drier and drier, and if we get any dry cold fronts that kicks up a little bit of wind, we could see some fire weather concerns as we get later in the week and into next week. Thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefing.